back if you're here for another visit, and welcome if you're new. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So the former owners are actually my cousins, and so what they did was they scraped the popcorn ceilings, they added new trim and molding to all the windows, they added wood blinds to all the windows, new flooring, all new wood flooring, and they painted every single wall in this house except for the 2 bedrooms lemony yellow. And if you've been following my vlog for a while, then you know that yellow is my big accent color, which I love, a deep mustardy yellow. But yellow and on yellow is not my thing. And, you know, I look around and I think, well, it's all freshly painted. Sometimes, I don't know if you're the same way, but I need to sit with a place and get a feel for it and see what's coming forward. So I've been kind of bringing some of my things out as I'm unpacking and getting an idea of which direction I want to take for this place. It's going to be different than my last one, although I'm using all the same furniture, so it's going to come alive in a new way, and I'd like you to follow along with me, maybe for some inspiration. Today I'm just going to give you a little home tour to see what I've done so far. It's just sort of meshing through some things and getting some ideas of how I can use my old furniture in a new way. So I'll be painting and upcycling a lot of it, and those will be in some future videos. And you'll see some of my potential projects that I've been mulling over. Please leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see me do, or if there's anything that sort of inspired you or gave you an idea of how you could do your own place. And hopefully you'll be able to look at your own place now with new eyes and using some of the same old stuff, but in new ways. Sit here in the living room, I see all the windows in here looking out onto the beautiful scenes, and I get the vibe of light, bright, airy, and it's almost like I want to make the whole place look like a big sunroom with a lot of white and green and a dash of pink. So this is the direction I'm headed. Let's see if I can stick to it, because I like so many colors. And you may be wondering, what am I going to do with this chair? Well, I've had fabric for it for a while, and you've probably seen it in some past videos, but I don't know if that's the direction I'm going to take with this room. It may evolve and become something completely different from what I had before. like to just sit with a room and kind of get a feel for it. And this room is no exception. This has a different vibe than my old place. It's more open. It's twice the amount of square footage. It's got less storage than I had in my small place, so I'm challenged to find some new storage solutions, like a linen closet. It doesn't have that. So as I look at my cabinets, I want to paint them, and I recently just ordered some Sloan paint in Scandinavian pink, possibly for the buffet, and I've ordered some decoupage papers from L&J Goods, the Monaghan Papers I love, and the Jamie Ray vintage, the one with the birds on it that you'll see in one of the photos here, for my cabinet. And I'm going to mix some paints for that. And I've got a little table that I'm going to decoupage. I'm going to be doing some upholstery work or slip covers. The main objective here is to create a cozy, livable, inviting, and welcoming home. Part of my journey over the last maybe 7 or 8 years has been to learn how to do canning, try some old recipes like my grandma used to make, work on interior design using simple thrifted items that I can find, or things that I already have, looking at things in a new way, and tapping into my inner interior designer and bringing her out again. I worked as a designer for about 10 years professionally, maybe more than that, but it was the best thing I've ever done in my life. Absolutely one of my favorite things. I also worked as an actress for years while I was putting myself through college. I did local commercials. Waking up to this new environment every day has been such a blessing for me. And the first thing I do in the morning is I get up and make my coffee. Then I go out and feed the chickens, check the hummingbird feeders to see if they've got food, throw a little bit of stuff out for the turkeys. And I feel as though this is part of my new lifestyle, is being a steward to the creatures that live here, as well as this piece of land that I'm on. And I'm just getting settled in. It will take a while. I don't think settling into a new home happens overnight. And I've been here just a little bit over a month now in this house. I feel so much peace. I go out and forest bathe once a day and stand among the trees and just smell the air of pine and oak moss. It's really a beautiful experience that I'm having here. I'm never alone, and I've recently inherited 2 cats that are helping me decide what to keep and what to throw away. And they bring a lot of life into the place. My daughter flew them all the way from Hawaii to live here with me. So I feel blessed to have them here. They're great company. And I'm gonna follow Lynn McKenzie and see if I can learn how to speak to the animals. I want to take a course on how to commune with the animals so that I can understand exactly what they're saying to me, because they talk to me all the time. Something I realized while making this video is that what I'm doing is I'm wanting to romance my home. I want to bring more romance into my home. By romancing my home, I'm going to be romancing my own self. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and do come back again. I really enjoy making these videos for you and plan to do more as we go along.